Your school, St. Joseph's Institute, I believe it's very supportive, isn't it?
Yeah, this is one of the best schools I've ever studied, because in this school, the teachers, if I miss something, if I go out for a tournament and I come back, if I miss something, they try to do the best how I can recover, and all the principal is very supportive. All the teachers help me out, and my friends help me.
Mr. Dilip Farte, you must be providing a lot of encouragement to your son, isn't it?
Yeah, without my support it is very difficult. I take a lot of care as far as physical fitness is concerned. When I travel, I have seen physical fitness of all these European countries. That is my priority. Even this time when we went for the selection of the India team, yes, among the even under 13, under 15 was the physically fittest guy in the world. That is my, because I can get the experience by playing squash, not in Goa, Chennai, abroad, everywhere. But physical fitness, we banked on physical fitness so that he is more comfortable on the squash court. So that is where last 5 months or 6 months or maybe 1 year or that's why he is more successful in this squash tournament. I am banking on only physical fitness. Okay, that's a priority.
Even the encouragement part for a child is very important in the sense I think they are taking to different tournaments in so many countries, so you must be following what's happening on the circuit and the tournaments that the Squash Federation comes up with.
I travel, I want to see where Yash stands, whether it is in Europe or World Junior Championship, everywhere. I have seen today, yes, is there with that. If you see the European circuit, latest European circuit, he is number 1 among top 50 boys all over European countries. This is what I have shown you the copy, which is very good sign. So maybe if we have, without the facilities in Goa, if we have squash court, we can have more tournaments in Goa also. Wherever I travel, different parts of India or abroad also, so many people ask me, why don't you have a tournament in Goa? Recently, Deepika, Saurabh Ghosh, they were after me, why don't you have a tournament in Goa? It's not an expensive thing, but I think we should have squash court in either 2-3 squash court in Pangil, Vasco and Margam. Definitely, Goa will be at the top of the squash map. Definitely. This is what I have got. Without the facilities, yes, has to reach this level. If we have these facilities, I think we can really come up with big way in squash.
This was the first trophy that Yash Farte picked up. It was way back in 2009. It was a runner-up trophy in the 34th Bombay Gymkhana HSBC Maharashtra Open Squash Championship in the under-9 category. His father will now tell us the history of Yash, how Yash got playing squash, and how did you recognize that he has special talent?
When I saw him playing squash with me at the Naval Club, I found him, he is very much, into the game. He is very good at squash, and I thought that after 5-6 months, I must take him to Bombay.
What age was he then?
It was about 8 and a half. So when I took him to Bombay just to see where he stands, and at the first tournament, he was runners-up in Bombay Gymkhana, which is supposed to be 3-star tournament, big tournament. Then after that, I have realized that this guy has got talent. That's why I started taking him to Chennai Academy, Delhi, wherever the active squash is played. Then again, I took him to Malaysia, where he was runners-up in Malaysia, where a lot of active squash is played in Malaysia. I took him to Hong Kong. So this is how now I am taking him. Last year I have taken him to Germany. So I wanted to see that where he stands. Today I thought that he got the talent. Long way to go. He has to work hard, and I am supporting him from all the corners.
Right.
Yeah.
This must be also entailing a lot of expenses, a lot of money that you must be spending. So, is there any sponsor for Yash?
No, all the kids are sponsored, but as far as financial kids are concerned, everything is managed by me. I have a liking of squash, maybe sports also, and I still remember my younger brother played for India squad cricket. So today I thought that he didn't get a chance. At least I will see that my children gets a chance to play for the India. That's my dream, and I will give him everything whatever he wants. As far as he takes squash seriously.
In the under 13 age group category, Yash has become a big player in India. Yash Farte resides in Vasco and practices here at the Naval Squash Court. को देखा जाए तो उसमें क्या खास क्वालिटी है जो आपको वो नेशनल लेवल पे टॉप तक जा सकता है, ऐसा आपको विश्वास आता है? क्या वो क्वालिटी है?
क्वालिटी उसका सबसे मेन तो उसका ये है कि अपना क्या बोलते हैं इसको, टैलेंट उसके अंदर पहले से टैलेंट सबसे मेन उसका टैलेंट है। और लड़का जो है तो बहुत आगे वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 भी बन सकता है, इतना अच्छा टैलेंट है। सबसे मेन तो उसका फिटनेस लेवल काफ़ी अच्छा है, और उसका टेक्निक भी इतना अच्छा है कि उसको थोड़ा बताने से सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा करता है। तो उसके अंदर सबसे मेन तो फिटनेस, और स्पोर्ट्स में होना भी चाहिए। सबसे मेन तो स्पोर्ट्स फिटनेस का ही है। फिटनेस जिसका फिटनेस है, जिसका स्टाइल है, उसके अलावा
अभी गोवा में आप 60 बच्चे अभी स्क्वाश खेल रहे हैं, तो गोवा से एक अच्छा स्क्वाश टीम बन सकता है क्या आने वाले नेशनल गेम्स के लिए?
सबसे बेस्ट अभी तो मेरे पास 15 बच्चे हैं, सबसे अच्छा हमारा नेशनल टीम बन सकता है। तो गोवा का गवर्नमेंट से भी एक रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आने वाले दिनों में कम से 3-4 पासपोर्ट गवर्नमेंट के और तो हम एक कोच होकर इस और 1-2 बच्चों की वजह से 60 बच्चे यहाँ पर गोवा में खेल रहे हैं। और 4 हमारे पास जगह नहीं है खेलने के लिए, ये बच्चे जाके बाहर भी जाके प्रैक्टिस करके आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर उतना फैसिलिटी नहीं है। गोवा गवर्नमेंट से हम यही रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, गोवा के अंदर आने वाले नेशनल गेम में हम अच्छा से अच्छा हमारा टीम बना सकते हैं। तो और गवर्नमेंट से यही है कि हमको और पासपोर्ट दें।
Down. One love. And out. 2-1. Now 3-2. Now 4-2. Up and out. 3-4. And out, 5-3. And up,
Shot.
6-3. Out. And out,
This one.
10-9. Game ball.
This one, Yash.
And up, 3.
That's all the time we have in the show. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.